Hi, it's Charlie, and in this video I will be showing you how to make your robot go backwards. My robot is in the same spot that I left it from my previous video, so I'll just show you how to go backwards from there. Right now I want to tell you a few things about the moving tank block. In the upper right hand corner there are two letters. Those letters represent what port your motor is connected to. Each motor is connected to. If you would like to see what is connected to what, you can go to the bottom right hand corner under the list of available brakes. You will see a thing that says port view. Click on that and you will see what is connected to what. You can see here that my right and left motors are connected to B and C, which is selected on here. The speed of these two, this means their left wheel and this means the right wheel. You always want them to be identical or else it will be all wonky. Okay, so to make it go backwards, all you really have to do is just put a little minus in front of it. And then press play. And you can see that the robot went to the starting place that I mentioned in my last video.